Hi guys, some of you were interested in creating the inside of a house. So you're not interested in the outside, you're interested in decoration and furniture. You want to do it like The Sims. That's okay too, we can do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the rectangle tool and I'm gonna design my rooms. So as you're designing your rooms, keep in mind that you're going to have to do a 3D wall. So there's going to need to be a shape within a shape. It'll make more sense once you guys watch. So I'm going to go ahead and get maybe a couple rooms in here. I don't know. I'm just making stuff up. Maybe this will be like the kitchen. Who knows? Maybe this is your YouTube house. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a rectangle inside of each rectangle. So you're probably like, Mr. Boatfield, what are you doing that for? Well, you'll see. All right. I'm going to do another one inside here. Let me zoom out. Line that up. But I want a little bit of space. This is where the walls are going to be. All right, so I have my rectangles within rectangles, and now my zoom is going cuckoo crazy. All right, but let's make it look a little bit more 3D. I'm going to raise these up. Voila, I have walls. And I'm going to raise them up until they touch right about there. And then let's do another set. Bam. All right. So check it out. Now I have some walls. It's really hard for me to see what's going on because it's all gray. So I'm going to go to materials. Let's do brick or something on the outside. No, let's do some wood paneling on the outside of the house. But some of you were saying that you don't want to do the outside of the house, so that's understandable. If you don't want to, I'm just making it easier for myself. What about some carpet? Ooh, fabrics. Let's do some carpet in some of these rooms. You know what? Maybe we'll have carpet in the kitchen too. Let's do it. I want white walls, like a creamy color. Ugh, I don't know about that, but you know what? We'll take it. But what I'm doing here is I'm making it easier for myself to see. You can see that some of these walls just brighten right up once you add a little bit of color to them. This is one hideous house, but we're just doing it for the YouTube. All right. Well, we need some doors. Let's go ahead and draw ourselves maybe some doors. I'm going to draw a little rectangle over here. And did you know that you can take this and you can push it all the way out to where it disappears? So now it is a 3D door. Let's do a window. But this time, let's go to materials and let's find glass. Oop, that one does not look real. Can I see outside yet? Bless me. But anyway, I'm just checking these things out. Oh my gosh, now you can see through the wall. But anyway, I'm just giving you some options. All right, so let's say I have like my doorways, I have my windows. You can add furniture. So if I go to this little 3-box over here thing, let's type in couch. Ooh, look at this couch. This is super modern. And you can click it and put it in your house someplace. Now, let's say I don't like the way my couch is angled. Maybe I want it kind of a different direction here. You're going to have to press this direction button down here. Press the rotate. Now, this is where people get really confused. If you're going to rotate something and you want it just rotated, you don't want it looking crazy, because I promise you, if you do this wrong, it'll look cuckoo crazy. You want to put this rotate tool flat on the ground. Click one more time, and then you'll rotate. So maybe I want it angled. Now I'm going to go to the rotate button, or I'm sorry, the move button. And let's move it over here. And let's just say that's where I want it. So think about how you can make this creative. If you're going to do the inside of the house, I want to be able to walk through every area. There's also a tool that you can use. Like let's say I actually want to walk in through this door. There's some footstep tools down here. Click it, click, and then you can move it forward and pretend that you're actually walking through the house. Maybe you can make like a little movie or something, like a little drama. And then if you click here, it's going to pretend that there's a person. So just like your random man, it will click and then go to that space as if you were looking out from that space. Anyway, guys, just play around with this. This is an option for you. You could do the inside of the house, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, your YouTube mansion. Who knows? But have fun. Remember, be creative. Take a photo at the end. Let's do this.